Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a stitch fix to share with you. I am so glad that you have stopped by to see what I received in my latest stitch fix. I am still celebrating my birthday. My birthday was actually 1 week ago, and last year I received a stitch fix on my birthday. Then I received another stitch fix the day after Christmas. It was awesome. I felt like I gifted myself with both a stitch fix for my birthday and for Christmas. That's kind of what I'm hoping for, but I got the timing off this time. I did actually put in a request to my stylist. I asked him to please send me something furry, and I'm still looking for ankle booties. You guys know I have a lot of booties in my personal collection, and I would love to add something a little bit different. Those were my requests. I'm so proud of myself that I actually put in requests because I get better fixes when I talk to my stylist. So this is my great big box. It's heavy. It's promising. If you want to see what I got in my stitch fix, stick around. Oh my gosh, this looks promising. There's a shoe bag, which I am so very excited about. If you see all of that writing on the top of the box, that's all the instructions, everything you need to know about your try-on period with Stitch Fix. If you need more information about Stitch Fix, if you're not familiar, if you haven't tried it before, I've left everything that I personally know in the description box below, as well as my link. I do have a referral link. If you use my referral link, you get $25 in credit. I get $25 in credit. It's awesome. Thank you to everyone that has used my link. Everyone is awesome. Can I say that enough? Okay, we do get an envelope, and in this envelope is an invoice, which I'll look at later. And there's also a note from my stylist and style suggestion cards. Do you use these cards when styling your outfits? I started saving these cards about a year ago, and I do not use them, but I have so many. Yes, I am a big fan of Stitch Fix. I've been buying their clothes for a long time and saving my style cards. Let me know in the comments below if you save your style cards and if you use your style cards. I'm just curious. Okay, look. On top, there's a bag. And I feel a heel. We just have to look right away. Let's look. Okay. What do we have? Sorry about the noise. Oh my goodness. Okay, these are Mark Fisher, and that's an interesting heel. Look at that heel. That's like a croc embossed, and it's almost a chocolate brown boot, square heel, so that's a little retro looking, and zip up. Okay, I hope these are comfortable and affordable. Oh, I almost forgot. The boots are called the Mark Fisher Footwear Raggedy Heeled Booty in brown. Okay, let's look at the bundle. The bundle's a big one. Okay, here is my big fluffy bundle. I like this. This is fleecy. There's the bundle. Oh, there's something in purple on top. All right, the top piece is a purple striped top. What does the bottom look like? That's what the hemline looks like. And this is incredibly soft. This is the Market & Spruce Zanzia curved hem knit top in dark purple. Some of the ink came off. So that's what this one looks like. So this is a nice casual piece. The next one is a sweater, and look at this neck. So this is going to be a turtleneck. There's a zip on that as well. And let me get up close so you can see. This is really a cool sweater. So this is ribbed, and it looks to be a longer length, and it also has zipper details on the sides. And this one is, who are you? Leo and Nicole. This is the Tamara cowl neck zipper detail cotton blend pullover in dark green. So I like this one. Then we have something in a teal blue color. And okay, this looks super like bohemian. Look at those arms. What do you think? Okay, I'm so curious. And then this is the neckline. And Do I have this? I do. Sorry, guys. Oh, you have to be smarter than the top. Okay, but it doesn't look a whole lot different, does it? I mean, there's the top, and this one is by Jolie, and this is the Reed 3/4 sleeve knit top in teal green, and so this one is very interesting. The moment I've been waiting for. Let's see. Okay. Oh my gosh, this feels really incredibly soft. Now, this is a hooded vest. Is it open front? Yeah, there's no closure there. It does have pockets. And this is by Coffee Shop New York, the Leonie Wubby hooded vest in light gray. This looks awesome. Okay, I'm gonna try everything on. I'll share my feelings with you as I try it on, and I can't wait to hear what you think about the pieces I received today. I've tried everything on. You can always tell because my hair is different. It's the same day. Everything's tried on, and I like some of the things in this fix. It's not budget friendly. This one is expensive. The total is $361. The buy all discount, I get 25% off if I keep everything, is $90.25, which brings the total to $270.75. I think that's expensive, but this might be a birthday fix. Let me know what you think about these pieces. The first one that I tried on is this purple and heather gray top by Market and Spruce, the curved hem top. It's really soft. What was it called? This one is the Zanzia curved hem knit top. This one is $58. And it also has that it's not an exposed seam, but it has something going down the side of it there. I don't really like that. I was very, very aware of it, and at first I thought it was, the exposed seam, which I normally like, but this is very finished. This is really comfortable. My stylist did ask me to pair this with the vest that he sent, although I didn't read his note till after the try-on, but I can see where he's going with that look. I do have a couple tops similar to this that I picked up last year. I do wear them a lot. That makes me think if I kept this, it would get a lot of wear because this is a really nice casual piece, but it's $58. $58. Do you think it's worth it? Next, I tried the sweater, the cowl neck sweater by Leo and Nicole with this really, really long, I thought this was a turtleneck, but imagine, you could wear it like that if you were in a very cold climate. My stylist note did reference the temperatures where I live. It is getting cold and it feels like winter. But this is really a warm sweater. It's only 2% wool. It's predominantly cotton. It's also acrylic. It is not itchy. I was worried that it would be itchy. I do have a difficult time wearing wool. I like this one. I really think this cowl neck is interesting and different. I don't have anything like it. What did you think about the way that it laid? Now, I'm not real crazy about sweaters that have the zip at the hem, but I think this one laid very nicely when the zippers were zipped all the way, so I don't think I would wear this unzipped at all. I kind of like this one. It's $68 and it's a really pretty color. Sorry guys, I am filming at night. You see my shadow. I'm using artificial lights. I know it's not the best light tonight, but trust me on this. This is a really pretty color and I'm thinking about keeping it. I don't know though, because I'm really purging sweaters. I have so many sweaters. I think this one is nice and it could be a birthday sweater, right? We have an affordable piece. This is, do I have it backwards? Gosh, I can't figure out this top. This is the teal top by Jolie. It's kind of a dolman sleeve top. It's stretchy, really, really stretchy. You can pull it down into a tunic length, which I do like, and my stylist had this paired with white slacks in the style card, which I think would be a really pretty look. I kind of like this. I don't know. I'm waiting to hear what you guys think of this because I recently tried a blouse similar to this in my Natalie Attired. I thought I liked it. I did not buy it, because the hemline was asymmetrical, and when I put it on, it was no longer asymmetrical. Now this one has a much cleaner hemline on it. It's only $38, but is this trending? I really would like to know that, because the last time I wore a dolman similar to this, I'm going to say was 10 years ago. So I really don't want to buy a dated style. This is really comfortable, and that is why I'm considering keeping it. I don't know if I should keep it. It felt great. What do you think about the way that it looked? Be honest with me, because I might keep this. I really like the price point on this one. This is the most affordable thing in this entire fix. The vest. The vest by Coffee Shop New York. This is a wubby knit vest. The texture on this vest is amazing. I mean, it's pillow soft. I like this one a lot. This is $68. And my stylist did say that he thought he would send this to me because he knew I would like the texture, but if I wasn't completely satisfied with this one, he would send me a fleece lined vest. That's what I asked for, and this definitely has that same vibe on it. I'm not a big hood wearer. I don't know if I want something this big also with a hood, because I would not be wearing this necessarily for warmth. I would be wearing this as a layering piece, and a hood is a bit much, I think, especially with such a substantial piece. I love that this has pockets. I really appreciate that it's lined. I think this is a nice quality vest. I would love to keep it. I would love to lay my head on it. I mean, this is really a remarkable vest. I think the price point is really, really high. $68 for, I don't know. Tell me, what do you think? I mean, I sound like I'm being really cheap right now, but I did purchase something like this last year, and it was red. I don't know if you were watching me last year around Christmas. I did get a hooded pullover in this kind of like really super soft fleece, and I think I paid less than $25 for that one. So I am experiencing sticker shock with this one, but I do like this one, and I also really like that color, the lighter color with the gray underneath. So I don't know. The final item in this fix that I'm absolutely in love with are the booties by Mark Fisher. This croc embossed booty with the square toe, and you guys know I'm a big fan of pointy toes. I think this would be a wonderful addition to my wardrobe. I do not have a booty in chocolate brown, so this is a really great color for me. I love the croc embossed detail, really easy to get into. I don't know, it's about a 2.5-inch stacked heel, interesting looking, very, very easy to walk in. Really, I put everything back in, but this leather is incredibly soft. And yes, this is a leather booty. It's a synthetic sole. That's what the sole looks like. Square toed. You know, I like my pointy toes. So this one is really something very, very different. And I think I have to consider adding this to my wardrobe. It's $129. Do you hear my dog crying? Yes. The pets are saying it's dinner time, so I need to wrap this up. I love them. $129 for these booties. I think I'll keep these. I'm going to see what my husband thinks about them. Should I keep this entire fix? Is this a 5 for 5? And hear me out. The booties are $129. That really sweet vest is $68. That's $200. For $70 more, I could get the sweater. I could get the funky dolman sleeve top that I kind of like, and I could also get the purple stripe top. I mean, everything. I could keep it all, call it my birthday present. I don't know. I can't wait to hear what you think about this fix. I think it was a pretty good fix. It's expensive, but it was my birthday a week ago, and I could call this my birthday fix. What do you think? I can't wait to hear your opinions on this fix. This has been a lot of fun. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you, Jason. Jason is my Stitch Fix stylist. You did a good job, Jason. I like the pieces in this fix. Hey, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Come back, join me for another video. Hey, you guys, if you want to see what I bought when I went out shopping on my birthday. Give this video a thumbs up, leave it in the comments. I really want to share it with you. I don't know if you're interested. If so, I will gladly film that haul and share it with you. I hope you all are enjoying a fabulous holiday season. I have got to feed the puppies. Blessings to all of you. Hey everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Hi everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Hi everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. I do have a stitch fix to share with you. Hush! And my dogs are just as excited as I am.